Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard to your PC, an easy guide. First, you need to make sure your keyboard has enough power, either fresh batteries or a full charge. Then, verify that your computer even supports Bluetooth and that its Bluetooth is turned on. Also, keep your devices relatively close, within about 3 feet, during the initial setup to ensure a strong connection. Now, let's get your computer ready. Open your PC's Settings menu, which you can typically find through the Start button. Once in Settings, look for Bluetooth and Devices on the left side. Click on that, and then simply toggle the main Bluetooth switch to the On position. This allows your computer to start searching for new devices. Next, prepare your keyboard for connection. Most Bluetooth keyboards have a small button, often labeled Connect, or with a Bluetooth symbol, usually on the back or side. Press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should see a small LED light on the keyboard start to flash, indicating it is in pairing mode and ready to be found. With your keyboard in pairing mode, return to your PC's Bluetooth settings. Click on Add Device and then select Bluetooth from the presented choices. Your computer will then scan for nearby devices. You should see your keyboard's name appear in the list. Click on it. Your computer will then attempt to establish a connection, which may take a few seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.